Hello everybody. So today we read Van Gogh and the Sunflowers. So now we are going to make our very own Van Gogh style sunflower painting. So what you will need are either crayons or oil pastels. I'm going to be using oil pastels again. Watercolors, a marker, and then a paintbrush for your watercolors, water, and a paper towel. Okay? So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we are going to take our brown oil pastel or crayon and we are going to draw our vase. So first what we're going to do to draw the vase is we're going to go about halfway down the paper and I'm going to draw a curved line. And then I'm going to draw the sides. So we're going to curve it. And curve it, and then draw another curved line to connect the two. Okay, so now we have our vase, but we need to do a little bit more to it. So I'm going to go about halfway down the vase and I'm going to break it up into two parts by drawing another curved line. And then we're going to draw our tabletop in the background, and that's just a line, but you don't want to draw a line through your vase. So make sure you pick up your oil pastel or your crayon and then continue your line. Okay, so now we're going to draw our flowers, and to draw a sunflower, the petals have kind of a V shape. So we're going to draw a circle. And then just do like that, just kind of like an upside down V, okay? And we're going to continue that all around the circle. And if it helps you, you can twist the paper and move it as you draw your petals, okay? That's what I'm going to do. All right, now let's give it a stem, and I'm going to draw one coming out of the vase. So I'll draw a curved line, another curved line, and then I'm going to draw a circle, leave some space for the petals. And if it goes off the page, that's okay. Okay, so now you can add in sunflowers wherever you'd like, however many you'd like. So I'm just gonna start drawing sunflowers until the vase looks full, okay? Can add in sunflower behind these two. Make a taller one. Do an oval shape. Now remember, Van Gogh, just like Monet, was an Impressionist painter. So like I said in my Monet video, it's not about getting it perfect, it's just about capturing the impression of what you're looking at. And let's do Let's do another one. Okay, so I think that looks good. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take our paintbrush and we are going to paint the background first. So I'm going to get my blue watercolor. And I'm just going to paint all around the flowers. Now it's all right if you get some watercolor on the petals. If you do mess up with watercolor, the easiest thing to do is to get some water, clean water on your brush, and just go over the spot that you want to erase with your brush, because the water will dilute the color and it'll disappear. Now you can make your background blue, you can make your background green, you can do whatever color you want. All right. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to color one sunflower, and then for the sake of time for the video, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to color in the rest of my sunflowers, and then we'll pick up from there, okay? So I'm going to get my yellow and my green and my brown. And sunflowers, of course, are mostly yellow on the petals. So I'm just going to color this one. I'm going to make it yellow. And now, of course, you can do this with watercolor too, whatever you prefer. Okay, so now I'm going to get my green, and I might just lightly color the inside, and I'll go back over with brown. Okay. So now if you want, you can add some detail to your flowers. You can do whatever you like. All right, we're going to stop here. I'm going to color in the rest of my flowers, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now we have our sunflowers colored in. So now we are going to paint the vase and the tabletop. So we're going to get our brush. And I'm going to get, first for the top part of the vase, I'm going to do yellow first. And then we're going to add some brown on top of that. Okay. Now go ahead and get your brown. Go ahead and put it on top of that. Now rinse out your brush, and we're just going to do brown for the bottom part of the base. All right, now while we're waiting for that to dry, let's go ahead and do our tabletop. So let's go ahead and you can get your brown again. Okay. So now what we're going to do, seems like it's pretty dry. We're going to take our marker, and in the actual painting, Vincent signs his name right here on the vase. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to take our marker, and we're going to write our first name. Make sure you start small and leave yourself enough room, because we're going to write our first name and then Van Gogh. So my first name is Eva, so that's what I'm going to put. So you put your first name, and then we'll leave a space, and we'll do a lowercase v, V-A-N, and then we'll leave a space, and we'll do an uppercase G, G-O-G-H. There you go. And now you have your very own Vincent van Gogh style sunflower painting. Thank you for joining me.